That's $200. That's a lot of money. Right before I'm leaving to Ukraine, my rental place gets a clogged up toilet. So all the sewer stuff in the basement comes up. Nothing new for me. I have a little machine. I go in there, get myself all dirty, smelly. Machine doesn't work. Second day, I hire a company, and guess how much they charge me for all of that? $400. And after that was done, I smelled like poop, like sewer and everything, and I came to God right before Ukraine, stressed and all of this stuff, and I felt the Holy Spirit.